Hey, this is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I made this short video for Cousin Plumbing Mechanical. In this short video, I'll be sharing 3 things with you guys that you can do today to bring in more customers to your business. So, if by the end of the video you like what you see in here, shoot me a message and we can chat. I'll get right into it. I'll keep the video short and sweet. The 3 things I'll be talking about today will be citations, backlinks, and content. Now, the first thing I'll start off with will be content. As you can see, I'm on your home page right now, and I can tell you right off the bat that having more content is going to really do you a lot of wonders, because Google loves content, and you want to have at least 1,500 or more words on this home page right here. And I see you guys putting your contact information right there. This should only be one section. You should have at least multiple sections on this home page. And to make it cosmetically more interactive and more information with a lot more words which have keywords in them, which will help you rank up in Google. So you can definitely work a lot on this homepage alone by itself, and it'll help you boost your ranking a lot. Secondly, I want to talk about citations. Now, I did a little search over here just for heating and plumbing companies in New York City, just to show you what Google results look like to the customers. So the first thing they see will be this top section right here, which is the Google Guaranteed section. And this section is a paid section in which business has to go through a verification process with Google. Once they go through it, they're allowed to advertise right here. It's a great place to be because it's on the top, and that's the first thing customers see. And secondly, it gives really good leads. Then we move down to this section right here, which is called the Google Ad section, or the traditional Google Ad section. And in 2020, it's kind of a hit or miss because a lot of people intentionally skip this and move down because they've had maybe not so good experiences in the past by clicking on false advertisements, and also because a lot of people nowadays have ad blockers, and if that's enabled on their computer, they're not going to see this at all. Businesses still like to use this, and it has to be really well placed to actually make your money from this. After that, we move on to this section. This is called the Google Map Pack section, and in this section I'll explain to you what a citation is. So a citation is basically anywhere on the web which allows you to input your business information, such as your name, phone number, and address for your business. And right here, that's exactly what you see. You see their name, address, and phone number, along with some other information which is helpful for customers, like the hours of operation, links to the website. This is definitely a place I recommend every business to be on, and we specialize in moving people in these top 3 spots. After that, we move down to this section, which is referred to as the organic section. In this one, you will see the websites, or businesses actually, who have outranked and beat out their competitors and made it to the first page of the Google search results. Now, the first page is where all the action is generally going to be, and you're going to get a lot of traffic while being on this first page. Last thing I'm going to talk about today will be backlinks. A backlink is basically any website out there which gives a link to your website, and that really helps out by giving you traffic, giving you keywords, and also helping you rank up. So I'll show you a tool I use. This is called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool, and they get their data directly from Google, and it shows me in a way which I can assess the performance of any website. So as you can see, I've typed in your website right here, cousingplumbing.com, and let's see what you guys have. So it's showing me you have 23 referring domains to you, giving you 132 backlinks, which give you 21 keywords, but at the moment it's not giving you any traffic at all. Now, to show you another competitor in the New York City area and what their numbers look like, here it is. Big difference. They've got more than 700 referring domains, 3,100 backlinks, more than 26,000 keywords, and they're getting at least 26,000 organic traffic, meaning people visiting their site per month. So this is the type of numbers that you want to be hitting. Let me go back to yours for a second. And boosting these numbers and pumping them up is exactly what we specialize in, and as well as organically ranking your website higher in the Google search results. So that's all I had for you today. I told you I'll keep it short and sweet. I really hope you found this video to be educational, and if you'd like to know more about how NYC marketers can help rank or grow your business online, give me a call. I'd love to chat. I also would like if you could give me some feedback on what you thought about the video and how I did. And with that, I thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day.